How to change TikTok region. Now first of all, I'll open TikTok, and now I'll simply go to this option here, three lines option, and I will select settings and privacy. Now I'll scroll down, and as you can find this option, content preferences. I'll open this, and video languages, add language. First of all, I'll select English, and now I will add maybe Urdu and Hindi. Urdu, I'll select done. I will add language, English, done. I will add language, and now I will add, let's say, Indian. So as you can see, these all I have added the languages, so the content which will be shown to me will be of this language. I will simply scroll down and basically again open this TikTok. So here it will show me the videos of the regions or languages which I have basically selected. So this is how to change the region on TikTok.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.